The only thing that I didn't like from the UpHere. What's up guys, and welcome back to Ginger TV. Today we're gonna review the UpHere RGB fans. These are 5 RGB fans for 60 Canadian dollars. I have my PC over here and only 2 of the 7 fans are RGB, so it doesn't look that good inside of the case. Today I'm gonna do the upgrade to upgrade all of them RGB except for my CPU fans, because they are knocked to us, so they're quality fans. I wanted to keep them how they are. To start off, let's talk about the UpHere fans. They are $60 for 5 fans. Usually a Corsair RGB fan is $60 for 1 fan. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 1 fan for $60, but these for 5 fans, you're getting the price of 1. In the box, you'll find the controller, a remote control to change the color because there's no software. That's why the Corsair fans are a bit more expensive. You'll find the 5 fans themselves, some screws, and some paddings to reduce on vibrations. The 2 RGB fans inside of my PC are Deepcool RGB fans, so we're gonna make a little comparison as well to see which ones are brighter and which one are quieter. Because I don't know if you hear it, but every time I shoot a video, this is how loud my PC is. I got my screwdriver, I got my fans. Let me go ahead, install them so I can make an actual review on how they look. Alright guys, so as you can see, the computer looks 10 times better now with that RGB baby. So did not have any hiccups. The only thing that I didn't like from the UpHere, I have a lot of stuff that I didn't like from them. They're not the best. I should have gone with Deepcool, but I wanted to test the UpHere to be honest. So first of all, the paddings for vibration, you have to install them all on it, but the Deepcool ones are already installed. Second of all, yes, I like the fact that the connector, it all connects to the hub, but at the same time they all have a specific connectors to the UpHere fans that only connects the UpHere fans. So I wasn't able to connect the Deepcool fans to the hub so I can control all of the lights the same thing with only a click of a button. The third thing that I didn't like is the fact that I can't control it like I want. The Deepcool fan, I can connect it to the motherboard, I can use the software from Asus, from MSI, from Gigabyte to be able to control the lights, to have effects and all of this. But for the UpHere, all you can do is control it with the remote control and that's it. Other than this, I think the lights are pretty decent. You can see the comparison right now between the Deepcool and the UpHere. There's not much difference in my opinion, but I can't really complain because I paid for what I get. So these cost me again 5 fans for 60 Canadian dollars. I think it's around 40 USD for our American people, but I am really happy with the change. I'm finally done with these blue dim light Cooler Master fans, so thankfully I was able to put them aside and have the RGB glory. 2 things that the Deepcool RGB fans have better than the UpHere fans is the connectivity. So they have the basic connectivity. You can connect it to your motherboard. You don't really need the hub. And the second thing is the RGB connects to the motherboard, so you can go ahead and use the software to control it however you like. Alright guys, I have officially joined the RGB gang. I have my PC is RGB now. I have my mouse is RGB. The only thing that's not RGB is my keyboard, but that's totally fine. I like my keyboard so much. Maybe I should make a video on it. Let me know in the description below if you want to know more about my mechanical keyboard. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, you already know what to do. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe for more content like this. We're gonna have more PC builds. We're gonna have headphones review, game on headset reviews, keyboards reviews, a bunch more. So subscribe so you don't miss out on these. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.